Welcome to Dorman Products Fuel Line Tech Tray Guide. Fuel assemblies can be costly and take days to ship. Dorman's new Fuel Line Tech Tray Kit allows technicians and do-it-yourselfers to make fuel line repairs themselves in just a matter of minutes, all at a lower repair cost than purchasing a new assembly. To build or repair the nylon fuel lines on your car, here's a quick look of how to connect different types of fuel quick connectors to nylon fuel tubing. First, measure the length of tubing you'll need for the specific repair. Then use cutters to cut the appropriate length of tubing. Next, attach holding plates to the new tubing using the tightening screws. After the tubing is secured, attach the plate and tubing assembly to the squeezing gun. Then attach the desired connector to the appropriate adapter and attach to the tool assembly. Using a heat gun, warm the tubing while squeezing the trigger to clamp the connector onto the line. To splice into an existing fuel line, make sure it's clean of debris and push on the appropriate quick union. A brass union can also be used for a permanent fix.